Welcome to JK Academy of Virtual Schooling. We offer coaching for SSC, Intermediate and IIT Foundation through virtual schooling concept at your convenient timing. Please contact vschool.jk@gmail.com or 7013961094. Follow our Facebook page JK Academy and like our YouTube channel JK Academy. So today's topic is laws of chemical combination. There are two laws of chemical combination. The first one is law of conservation of mass. The second one is law of constant proportion or law of definite proportions. So we go for the first one, law of conservation of mass. Mass can neither be created nor destroyed in a chemical reaction. So whenever chemical reactions are taking place, there will be no harm to the mass. It cannot be created nor be destroyed. So next, the second law is law of constant proportion or law of definite proportions. In a chemical substance, the elements are always present in a definite proportion by mass. The next topic is we have postulates of Dalton's atomic theory. The first point in this atomic theory is every matter is made up of very tiny particles called atoms. Atoms are indivisible particles which cannot be created or destroyed in a chemical reaction. Similarly, mass, atoms we cannot create or we cannot destroy the atoms. The third point is atoms of a given elements are identical in mass and chemical properties. Fourth point is atoms of different elements have different masses and chemical properties. Fifth point is atoms combine in the ratio of small whole numbers to form compounds. Sixth point is the relative number and kinds of atoms are constant in a given compound. Seventh point is atoms are building blocks of all matters. Each atomic radius is measured in nanometers. Atomic radius is measured in nanometers. 1 meter equal to 10 to the power of 9 nanometers. Hope everyone understood this topic, the laws of chemical combination and postulates of Dalton's atomic theory. It's very important. You have to remember all these points, and if you reproduce these kind of points in the examination, you will get the marks definitely. Then after that we have the next topic, that is International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. What they do, they approve the names of elements. Names of elements, like example hydrogen, the symbol of hydrogen is H. The symbol of hydrogen is H. So rules for assigning symbols for atoms of various elements are as shown follows. So you can see on the board, rules for assigning symbols for atoms of various elements are as follows. The first one is the abbreviation used to represent an element is generally the first letter of the element's name in English. The abbreviation used to represent an element is generally the first letter of the element's name in English. Look at the first table, English name of element and symbol. The English name of element is hydrogen and the symbol is H. The English name of the element boron, the symbol is B. The English name of element oxygen, the symbol is O. The English name of element nitrogen and the symbol is N. The English name of element fluorine and the symbol is F. Similarly, we have the second point. What the second point is saying is when the names of two or more elements are beginning with the same initial letter. The initial letter is followed by the letter appearing later in the name. Example, barium. Name of the element is barium and the symbol is Ba. Name of the element bismuth and the symbol is Bi. Similarly, bromine, Br, silicon, Si, cadmium, calcium, Cd and Ca. The third part is symbol of some elements are derived from their Latin, German or Greek names. Name of the element, the second column is Latin, German, Greek name and the symbol is sodium, natrium Na, potassium, Calcium K, copper cuprum Cu, iron ferrum Fe, gold Rm Au, silver argentinum Ag. One atomic mass unit exactly equal to 1 by 12th the mass of one carbon 12 atom. Atoms of most elements are not able to exist independently. Atoms forms molecules and ions. Thank you very much. So this is about the laws of conservation of masses, laws of chemical combination. So please do like our YouTube channel JK Academy and our Facebook page JK Academy. Thank you very much. Have a nice day all of you.